In this episode of our travel series, we are exploring Uchisar, one of the most beautiful places in Cappadocia. Let's start with Uchisar Castle. This mystical castle stands out with its natural beauty and strategic location. It became part of the Roman Empire in the 17th century BC and contains many churches, cellars, and rooms, having been used for defensive purposes in the past. Today, it offers unforgettable views to visitors. After completing our visit to the castle, we move on to Chivisliba Valley, located just below Uchisar Castle. Walnut Vineyard stands out with its stunning views among fairy chimneys and walnut trees. Now, we are heading towards Pigeon Valley. This valley gets its name from the numerous pigeons that live here. You can start your journey through Pigeon Valley in Uchisar and finish in Göreme. The valley, which is approximately 4 to 5 kilometers long, can be enjoyed with a pleasant walk while admiring the unique landscapes of nature. Uchisar's location allows quick and easy access to other unique areas of Cappadocia.